Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals. For every disciplined effort there is a multiple reward. Success is steady progress toward one's personal goals. Failure is not a single, cataclysmic event. You don't fail overnight. Instead, failure is a few errors in judgment, repeated every day. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. The major reason for setting a goal is for what it makes of you. To accomplish it, what it makes of you will always be the far greater value than what you get. You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. Give whatever you are doing, and whoever you are with the gift of your attention. Asking is the beginning of receiving. Make sure you don't go to the ocean with a teaspoon. At least take a bucket so the kids won't laugh at you. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. Make measurable progress in reasonable time. If you go to work on your goals will go to work on you. If you go to work on your plan will go to work on you. Whatever good things he build end up building us. When you know what you want, and want it bad enough, you will find a way to get it. Giving is better than receiving, because giving starts the receiving process. The difficulties you meet will resolve themselves as you advance. Proceed, and light will dawn and shine with increasing clearness on your path. If someone is going down the wrong road, he doesn't need motivation to speed him up. What he needs is education to turn him around. The worst thing one can do is not to try, to be aware of what one wants and not give in to it. To spend years in silent hurt wondering if something could have materialized, never knowing. Failure is simply a few errors in judgment, repeated every day. Your philosophy determines whether you will go for the disciplines or continue the errors. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Character isn't something you were born with and can't change. Like your fingerprints, it's something you weren't born with and must take responsibility for forming. Money is usually attracted, not pursued. A good objective of leadership is to help those who are doing poorly to do well and to help those who are doing well to do even better. Part of your heritage in this society is the opportunity to become financially independent. To solve any problem, here are 3 questions to ask yourself. First, what could I do? Second, what could I read? And third, who could I ask? Don't bring your need to the marketplace, bring your skill. If you don't feel well, tell your doctor, but not the marketplace. If you need money, go to the bank, but not the marketplace. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you will never grow from it. Some people plant in the spring and leave in the summer. If you're signed up for a season, see it through. You don't have to stay forever, but at least stay until you see it through. We get paid for bringing value to the marketplace. Ideas can be life-changing. Sometimes all you need to open the door is just one more good idea.